Your stomach just growled. You think it's hunger? Well, not exactly. Your body is doing something way more interesting. That growling sound isn't hunger at all. It's your stomach running a self-cleaning cycle. Every couple of hours, your digestive system activates what is called the migrating motor complex. Your stomach contracts in powerful waves, sweeping out leftover food particles, bacteria, and debris. This happens whether you've eaten or not. That growl? That's just air and fluid getting pushed through your system during the cleanup. It's loudest when your stomach is empty because there's nothing to muffle the sound. So, growling is actually a sign your digestion is working. It doesn't necessarily mean you're hungry. Follow for more educative mind-blowing facts.